Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Sunday, 26th of May 2019. This is the weekend video and it's brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I do urge you to check out the description of this video for the link of the Telegram room. At times when there are important updates to be delivered to you, I could do the update through the Telegram. Also, I do urge you to check out our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis right after a quick recap. On the last trading session of Friday, we have been waiting for important economic headers to be released from the United States. We are going to start with the core durable goods order for April. It came below forecast. The durable goods order for April as well came below forecast. For the gold price action on the last trading session of Friday, gold was on the supply most of the time, and it traded in a very narrow range. From minimum to maximum or low to high, it's only $5 from 1,280 plus to 1,285 plus. When the data came, it was disappointing, and gold could not capitalize substantially on the data, and it moved back toward 1,284 plus. For the strategy recap, what we said in our last episode is that gold is in a neutral ground with a bullish momentum, and we advise to look for any short-term rally as a chance to sell. The fact that gold traded in a narrow range, I think nobody made money off gold on Friday. All the trading was about $5 from low to high, as we said earlier. So that's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Tuesday, we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released from the United States. We will be waiting for the CB Consumer Confidence with high importance, and Dallas MFG Business Index, and House Price Index with low importance. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll move on now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session of Friday, we have had trading range from 1,280 plus to 1,285 plus. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Gold spot printed a close price on the last trading session on Friday above 1,284 with a change of almost $1 from the last trading session on Thursday. For the daily simple moving averages, for the 20 days it's 1,282, and for the 50 days it's 1,290, and for the 100 days it's 1,296, and for the 200 days it's 1,256. We are above 20 days, 200 days daily simple moving averages, and we are below 50 days, 100 days daily simple moving averages. For the RSI readings, the RSI for the 1 hour is 63 bullish, and for the RSI for the 4 hours is 61 bullish, and for the RSI for the 1 day is 51 bullish. For the supports and resistance, gold should find support at 1,282, followed by 1,280, then 1,275, then 1,270. Resistance are located at 1,288, then 1,291, then 1,296, and 1,300. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Let's start with the good news. We are back, and we hope that technical difficulties we have been met with in the last week are no more existing. I will take the chance to introduce you to this idea. We are a new YouTube channel, that's true, but we've been there for more than 5 months so far. And some of you by now are friends more than subscribers. I do urge you please to promote this channel as if it's yours. Just imagine that with the time we become 5 to 10,000 active members. By that time, We will not be only just a regular YouTube channel, we will be more of a market player, and we at times can take advantage of the price movement and deploy and perform some trading strategies which will benefit us and make us make real money. Please think of it and work on it if you believe in the cause of the channel. One more thing that some of the members have raised the idea they wish to donate to the channel or to raise some funds for the channel for in order to enhance the content of the channel. We welcome this. If you do believe in the cause and the content of the channel, you can find the link for the donations in the description of the video. Thank you guys, and we will continue our regular video as usual. As we said in our last episode 2 days ago, gold rallies for two main reasons. The first reason is the demand for the gold itself, which is usually follow a seasonal trend. Other reason for the gold rally, for the gold to rally, is the fact that the gold is a value preserving asset, and this simple fact is known for the traders in the financial markets since ever. This unique feature of gold gives the gold the privilege to rally when the safe haven demand increases in the financial markets due to reasons like economic slowdown or geopolitical unrest or a rising state of uncertainty. The said factors, in fact, affects the equity markets and amends the traders' appetite for risk. However, traders knows that the gold is an unyielding asset, and carrying it is not going to pay them either a dividend or interest like bonds or stocks. I'm bringing up this again just to drag your attention that the current rally in gold is a safe haven rally, and the real demand for gold actually is in a low season in terms of real demand for gold. However, some analysts also argue that the gold did not perform as good as the last year. We say to them that dollar index, which measures the strength of the dollar, the currency the gold is priced in, was 93 last year at the same time, not 98, and the interest in dollar was 1.5, not 2.25 like now. Also, if you want to analyze the threats, the trade war between US and China and the 30 billion worth of tariff is nothing in comparison to the 5 trillion paid by Americans each year as taxes. Also, if you look at the tension between the United States and Iran, I doubt that the US is going to the war with 1,200 soldiers unless they are going to make part 2 of the movie 300 and they call it 1,200. Let's be realistic and reasonable somehow. Bottom line, what I'm trying to say that the gold is approaching its worst month in terms of real demand for gold. Prices usually falls apart, and if you are at sell, hold tight your position because it's going to make you hell of money just when we arrive to June. Also, if you wish to compare the geopolitical risks from year to year, last year North Korea was testing nukes and trade war between US and China was on the edge, and they were applied tariffs, and the gold response for that time was to hit down. Gold prices did not hold. Also, you have to understand one fact that the media is designed to exaggerate. It's designed to tell you about the threat, not about the opportunity. The opportunity is in the US stocks. So many stocks were dragged down because of the trade war. Look at them. I have listed some of them here. I just wanted to do this part to reflect more about what's going on in the markets. We are going now through the strategy as usual. For the trading strategy, the trend is a neutral to bullish. The price action is negative. We are above 20 days, 200 days daily simple moving averages, and the US dollar is under pressure. Technically, gold is in a neutral ground with bullish momentum. The RSI readings are bullish. Still, rallies or short-term rallies are seen as a good chance to enter the market as a seller. Those rallies should meet resistance around 1,288 towards 1,296. On the weekly chart, gold looks good.
main bullish. The fact that this move was fueled with safe haven demand makes me see the level 1288 to 1291 as the max that the gold could reach. Then it has to hit down. This is in my personal opinion, the advice based on what I said so far. If you are at a short position and the market is above you, hold and protect your position. If you are out of the market, sell at rises between 1288 to 1296. If you wish to buy, it's your call. I cannot stop you from that, but we don't advise buying gold unless it clears the level 1300 with a close for 2-3 sessions above 1300. This is what we have for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. This channel, as we say, always can grow more and more with your support. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on Tuesday with another video.